What's up, guys? So as you guys saw in the previous video, our Audi is misfiring. So once we took out the coils and the spark plugs, there was a lot of oil. So the issue most likely is that the gasket is old and it's leaking oil. So today we're going to be replacing all six coils and the spark plugs because it's a V6 6-cylinder, and we're going to change the valve cover gasket as well. So this is the materials we got. We got the gaskets right here, spark plugs, the sealant for the gasket. These are the coils right here, 6 coils. Shop towels or microfiber cloth towels, and scraper, which you might need. So we're gonna leave all the links down in the description. If you have a any car that you're changing the gasket on, it doesn't matter. But if you have an Audi, this is gonna be more helpful for you. So let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is take off this intake here, and we're gonna have to move the coolant as well. So let's get into it. So you want to do all of them before, because it's not gonna disconnect. Okay, so once you pop all of them out, it comes out like this. So good thing we took all the wiring away, like this one or the intake, because now we have space to move around or move this. So first let's take the coils out. Take the coils out. This one's oily, but it's not as much. Okay. So now we're gonna take out the spark plugs. This one actually looks cleaner, but we have some gunk on the edges. Oh, look at this. We got a lot of oil on these, and I haven't even taken out the spark plug, so that's how you know the cover, the gasket was leaking. You guys can see there's a lot of oil here, and also this looks like it's burnt, so the spark plug is no good. Even if you clean it, it's garbage. Some burnt up. While he's doing the other side, I'm quickly gonna show you how to take this thing off, so you can take the coils from this side. So it's really simple. You see there's like only two what do you call, the bolts that you have to take out from here, 1 and 2, and then this is like really simple. You just put your screwdriver right here, we just clip it up and it comes off right away. Like, just push it back and just come it up. Yeah, it just comes off right away. Just clip it back like that. And there is supposed to be another sensor right here. When you take this out, it's supposed to be on the bottom, like right here. Just slide it down. Okay, so this just slides down. This little part right here. You see it has a clip right here, so you just gotta press the inside, and just it slides down. There's another one that's holding it right there. That's where they actually where the coolant goes. But if I disconnect that, then it's a headache. So I'm just gonna try to put put a magnet here, and then I put tape over it so it wouldn't fall off. It's a regular wrench. So once you put it here, then it fell off. Once you put it here, it connects. It attaches to the spark plug. Wow, look, guys, look at this one. This one is literally fucked. That's why the cylinder number 2 was misfiring. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look, even the, wow, this is soaked. You see that? What is that? That's cylinder number 4 or 5?
Wow, that's 5.
5, look at that, guys.
That's not supposed to be like this. So everybody.
It's literally on period. Yo, so we're about to pop this up. My back hurts, but we're gonna get a flathead and try to get in the corners. Oh, that popped up. So if you have the same situation, your car is misfiring in a lot of the cylinders, first thing you want to do is once you start changing the spark plugs, if you had oil, you want to take out all the gunk and all the oil that's left in the cylinders. So you do something like this with the screwdriver. You wrap the microfiber cloth, and you want to dry up all the cylinders from any oil. See, there's a lot of dirt. You're gonna do this for all the cylinders. Make sure you cover this up so nothing gets inside in there in the engine. So throwing these out, you see these are ripping off because they're old. Flathead and a towel, and try to go around in all the curves. You see we're getting a lot of gunk out of there. You want to make sure everything is clean before you put a new one. So we're just gonna let it dry for 5 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna put the sealer on the engine itself, so make sure you don't put too much or it's going to drip down inside.
I don't know, just can I lift this up?
Oh, okay.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Fix the tube. So let's see, we're about to start it up. Let's see if it still misfires. Hopefully not. Hopefully that was the main issue. So I might need to clear the code, but we'll see. It's gonna be brake pad light, but check engine still on, so I'm gonna clear the codes right now. Put in the scanner. See what comes up right now. Cylinder number 2 misfire. Cylinder number 3 misfire. And I don't know what that is. That's a new code. Race. Yes. Race done. Okay. Rev it to 3,000 RPM. Wow, it sounds much better. Wow. No misfires. It has no shake whatsoever. It's like it's not shaking at all. Wow. The engine sounds good. We cleaned it up over here. We're gonna do a detailing video. Clean the whole engine bay, but it sounds much smoother. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. So, there you go, guys. That's how you fix misfires on Audi. You gotta fix this as well, so you have to buy this part right here, the fog light grill. That's what we need to buy right here. Mechanically, this car is good now. We'll see after I drive it around the block, see how it is. But see, it has no shake, nothing. Looks good. Sexy.